In a world where digital entrepreneurship is on the rise, starting an online business has never been more accessible or profitable. So whether you are seeking financial independence or a side hustle, the internet offers you limitless opportunities to build a thriving business. And in this video, I'll be giving you the 10 profitable online business ideas to help you capitalize on current trends, leverage your skills, and create a successful business from the comfort of your home. From e-commerce to digital services, these ideas are perfect for anyone who is ready to tap into the growing online economy. But before we get into this video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love videos like this, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now let's get into the 10 profitable online business ideas you can start. Number 1 is to start an e-commerce store. Now, e-commerce has experienced unprecedented growth in recent years, making it one of the most profitable online business ideas you can start today. Now, setting up your online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify, Jumia, and so on. So whether you are selling handmade craft or clothing or electronics or even dropshipping products from suppliers, the opportunities are vast. Now, successful e-commerce businesses focus on a specific niche and they build a strong brand presence and utilize effective marketing strategies like social media advertising and SEO. Now, while the competition in e-commerce is very high, there's still enormous potential for those who can differentiate themselves through unique product or superior customer service and advertising. The second profitable online business idea to start is to sell digital products. Now, the market for digital products like ebooks, online courses, design templates, music, and softwares has seen tremendous growth due to scalability. Now, once created, a digital product can be sold unlimited times without additional production costs, making it highly profitable for anyone. Now, for example, creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable can yield passive income for months or even years after you launch it. And similarly, selling design templates, photography presets, or software tools on marketplaces like Gumroad or Creative Market allows creators to earn consistently. Now, the key to success in this business is producing high-quality content that addresses a specific need or solves a problem for your target audience. And if you need ideas on this digital product you can sell online to make money, we have a video on the 13 digital products you can sell online to make money. The link to that video will be in the description below. The third profitable online business idea you can start is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is an attractive online business model for those who prefer promoting other people's products rather than creating their own product. Now, by partnering with brands and businesses, you can earn commissions by driving traffic and sales through your referral links. Now, many successful affiliate marketers run niche blogs, YouTube channels, or social media profiles that are dedicated to specific interests like health, fitness, tech gadgets, or even personal finance. Now, by producing valuable content and organically incorporating affiliate links, you can generate steady income for yourself. And the key is to build trust with your audience and recommend genuinely helpful products. The fourth profitable online business idea you can start is freelance services. Now, freelancing is a versatile and profitable online business model, particularly if you have marketable skills like writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, video editing, and so on. Now, as a freelancer, you can offer your services to clients worldwide, working on projects ranging from small gigs to long-term contracts. And platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a marketplace for freelancers to connect with potential clients, but building a strong personal brand and portfolio can help you stand out on these platforms. Now, many freelancers also use social media and personal websites to attract their clients, and over time, freelancers can scale their business by specializing in a niche, raising their rate, or expanding into agency work by hiring a team. Now, the fifth business idea you can start is online course creation. Now, the online education industry is a booming industry with millions of people looking to improve their skills and knowledge in various fields. And if you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, whether it's graphic design, coding, photography, personal finance, video editing, and so on, you can create a course and sell online to make money. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable allows you to create your course and reach a global audience. And successful course creators focus on delivering high-value content that's engaging and easy to follow, and they often supplement their courses with downloadable resources, quizzes, and even community groups. And with the right marketing strategy, an online course can provide a significant source of passive income for you. Now, the sixth profitable online business idea you can start is stock photography or videography. Now, if you're a talented photographer or videographer, selling stock photos or videos can be a profitable online business idea. Businesses, marketers, and even content creators are always in need of high-quality images and videos for their website, for editing, for ads, and even for social media. And by uploading your work to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock, you can earn royalties each time someone downloads your content. And specializing in a niche such as business niche, lifestyle niche, travel niche, or nature photography niche can help you stand out and build a strong portfolio that consistently generates money for you. The seventh business idea is app development. Now, with the growing demand for mobile applications, app development is a highly lucrative online business opportunity. And if you have coding skills, you can create and sell your own apps or even offer custom development services to businesses in need of specialized applications. Now, for those without coding experiences, no-code platforms like Bubble allows you to build apps without extensive technical knowledge. And if you want to build a successful app, you need to solve a specific problem or meet user needs. And once you've developed your app, you can generate income through paid downloads, in-app purchases, or subscription models. The eighth business idea you can start is social media management. Now, with businesses of all sizes realizing the importance of social media for their brand awareness, there's a high demand for skilled social media managers. And as a social media manager, you will create and schedule content, engage with followers, run ad campaigns, and even analyze metrics to help businesses grow their online presence. And to succeed in this business, you will need a deep understanding of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, and so on. And you need to have a knack for creating engaging content. And many social media managers start by offering their services to small businesses or personal brands, and they gradually expand their client base through referrals and case studies. The ninth business idea you can start is online coaching and consulting. Now, this is different from online course creation. Now, if you're an expert in a particular field, whether it's fitness, nutrition, personal finance, career coaching, or business development, online coaching and consulting can be a lucrative business that will make you so much money. And with video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype, you can offer your one-on-one or group sessions from anywhere in the world. Now, the demand for online coaching is high as people are increasingly seeking personalized guidance in achieving their goals. And additionally, you can even create a digital coaching product such as your ebooks or maybe webinars or self-paced courses to complement your one-on-one coaching services and even scale your business. The 10th online business idea you can start is to start a YouTube channel or a podcast. Now, content creation through YouTube or podcasting is a long-term business model that can lead to substantial revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And by building an audience around topics you're passionate about, whether it's tech, beauty, gaming, personal finance, and so on, you can generate significant income for yourself through content. Now, YouTube channels can be monetized through Google AdSense, while podcasts often rely on sponsorships or listener support platforms like Patreon. But if you can host your podcast on YouTube, you can also get paid through Google AdSense. Now, while building an audience takes time and consistent effort, once you've established a loyal following of audience, you can expand your brand with merchandise, online courses, or even collaborations. So these are the 10 profitable online business ideas you can start. Starting an online business offers flexibility, financial independence, and endless opportunities. The 10 ideas in this video, from e-commerce to online coaching, are all viable options that require dedication and smart planning, but can lead to significant rewards. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, leveraging your skills and delivering value can turn any of these 10 ideas into a successful online business. Now is the perfect time for you to take action and start your entrepreneurial journey. And if you want to learn the 7 rules of investing to become a profitable investor, click on the video showing on your screen right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.